This might freak you out. Sneezing in space is like turning your nose into a science experiment. Without gravity, your snot doesn't fall, it floats. Yup, tiny green blobs drift in 0 G, bouncing around like alien slime. Astronauts can't just sneeze anywhere. It could land in someone's eye or float into equipment. Your body still shoots out the mucus at the same speed, but now it's a floating, spinning, gooey mess. And here's the wild part. The force can actually push you backward if you're not strapped down. Sneezing in space? Basically a tiny personal rocket made of snot.